Hey guys, welcome back to another Greek How To. So today I'll be teaching you on how to create a Wix landing page. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to the manage.wix.com slash account slash website. And right here you have to log into your account. Okay, so now that you're here, you'll be able to see your site. So just click on the create new site and then you'd be redirected to this page. Okay, so here you just have to select the setup with AI. Okay, so just click on this one right here since we are going to create our landing page manually. Then you'd be able to see this page. So right here, you can skip this one, but if you want to add a website, so you can select one of this. But for now, let us just skip this portion right here and also the second part of this. Okay, so just click on the skip button. Okay, and then this one as well, just click on skip. Okay, so this section as well, just have to click on the skip button, and then here make sure to click on the begin with a template option to start designing your site. Okay, and then right here you'd be able to see the website templates that you can use. And right here at the top, the search bar, just have to click on it. And then you have to type out landing page. Okay, and then hit enter. And then right here, you'd be able to see bunch of different landing page template that you can use. So if you find the best template that you think you need for your site, you just have to click on that specific template and then just click on the edit option. So landing pages are basically one page website. So a website that has only one page, which basically has no navigation panels and have no other pages, is a landing page. And you can create a landing page for affiliate products. You can create a landing page for a simple brand. Maybe you have a store like a physical store and you don't do online selling and you just want a online appearance for your brand, then you can create a simple Wix website landing page for people to know what your brand is all about. So now just click on the blank templates and we're going to start from scratch and then click on edit. So as you can see, this is what my basic canvas is looking like. So it's an empty canvas. So on the top left, you have your pages as section, and in your left side, you have your navigation panel to edit and add different things to your website. So starting off, we're gonna click on the add button right here. Okay, and then select text. And we are going to use the heading tree. So just click on the add heading tree. Okay, so now you can edit this text. So you just have to double click this one right here, then click on edit text, and then go right here. You just have to delete the text and then just type out the name or the title of your landing page. Okay, so you can resize the font and then you can also change the font style for this one. So just make sure that you use the right font style for the title. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna use the this one right here, and then I can change the color of this. So just click on add if you want to create your own color. And then after that, you just have to drag this title right here at the top header of your site. Okay, so just click on apply and then resize the text. So this is the simple website title for this one. And then let me just click on the header and then click on the change header design. And now I am going to click on the customize design and you can see there are different types of headers like the opacity and how they look and how you can make textured headers or something. I think I'm going to go with this kind of header design right here. And then after that, after selecting the header design that you want, all you need to do is to click on it and then click on the X icon. And now I am going to change the background page. So just have to click on it and then click on the change background. So right here, you can change the background color or add image or video. So just click on image. Okay, so since I'm using an image background, I'm going to click on it. And then right here, you can also use an image from media from Wix. So let's just go ahead and use the search bar at the top, but you can also upload your media, okay? So let me just use the free image from Wix. So let me just go ahead and select the best vintage image. So I think this one is better. And then just click on change background. Okay, and then after that, that specific image will be uploaded as your background. Okay, after that, I can now click on the add option. So let's go over to the left side again. Okay, and then select the strip option. So below the button, and right here, I will then just click on this black strip right here. Then let me drag this one and this above the image, and then let me resize the strip right here. And then now you can now change the color of the strip. So you can select any color that you want. So maybe I'm going to use this dark gray. Now click on add and select the text, and then just click on the heading one. Okay, and then just have to type out here the text. So maybe this landing page is all about the background and history. So let me just type out background and history, and then take note that you can change the style of the heading if you don't like it to be the heading one style, and then go to the font style to change it, and then it can also resize the font size. Okay, as well as the color if you want to change the color as well. Okay, so let me just arrange this one. Now I can drag this one over here. So you can drag this anywhere you want. So it depends of what kind of landing page you want to achieve. Now let me just extend this strip right here. And then at the top, let's click on the add elements again, and then click on gallery. So let me just use one of the simple grids right here. So let me just click on this one, and then you can resize the grids according to your want, so like this. And then after resizing, you can now click on the grid, and then click on the plus icon again. So let's add a new element. Okay, so just click on it. Now choose the text, and then click on the add heading to. After that, you can type out any text that you want. So just an example, maybe I want to drag this heading to right here and place it in this area. And then let me just type out aesthetic. Okay, and then take note that you can change the size of the font as well as the color. So let me just change the color to white to make it more visible. Okay, and then after that, just have to drag this one, and then just click on the grid that you have added, and then you can now click on the manage media. Okay, and right here you can select all of the grids, and then you can delete all of this, and you can add your own media. So just click on add media, and then just click on image, and then you can upload your own media right here. So just click on it, or you can use the media from Wix. Okay, so just click on upload from computer, then go to your folder and click on that specific image that you want to upload. So let me just use this one, and then click on add to gallery, and then now just have to select it and then click on done, and it will be automatically added in this section. So let me just add two more images for this section right here. So we just click on it again, and then click on add media, and then select image, and then go to upload media, and then upload it from computer, and then select the images that you want to add, and then just have to wait for a few seconds until the uploading process is complete, and then select the two images that you want to add. Okay, and then just click on add to gallery. So now you have three images in total, and then select the tree, and then just have to click on done, and you'll be able to see those images right here. So you can resize and place these images anywhere that you want. So let me just resize these images. Okay, so as you can see, so let me extend or expand the background. Okay, so let me just drag this one over here to make the background wider. So basically you can add images as many as you want. Now, if you have like an affiliate, then you can also add your affiliate link. This is just for reference for affiliates, but you can just click on add and then you can click on the button over here, or you can just take any kind of simple box or button. So let me just click on the button option right here and then select the kind of button that you want to use. Okay, so just go to the button section and then maybe I'm going to use this button right here. It's just a simple one, and then you can now drag this button over here at the top right side of your screen, and then you can edit the text for this button. So just click on change text and icon. So here in the text section you can delete this button word and then type out order now or buy now. Okay, you can also see the icon, so you can change that as well if you want to. Then after that, just click on the choose a link, so this one. So you can add a link to, so your web address, and then go which page or what the address or the URL, and then just click on the X button. So you just have to do that if you have an affiliate, okay? But for most people, landing pages do serve as a great affiliate marketing website. So that is why I just wanted to show you. Now I just have to go ahead and then click on the menus and add pages. So you can see you can click on add and add more pages. But this is a landing page, and a landing page does not have different pages. But you can click on add page over here. Then after creating a new page, all you have to do is to drag that as new page to your right, slightly to your right. So first you just have to click on that, and then you just have to drag this new page right here. So instead of creating a new page altogether, then the new page will be created as a sub page of our initial page. So that's just more like the terminology, and you really don't need it. So I'm just gonna delete this. I'm just showing this to you. So if you have like a larger landing page and if you find it could be too extensive and you want to segregate parts of it and a section, and this is the best one that you can do in order to achieve that kind of goal. Okay. And after that, you can also click on your site design and click on customize to apply a custom or a cohesive look to your entire website or to your entire page. So just click on the change theme, then you'd be able to change the theme for your site. And then you can also have the Wix app market over here. So if you have any bookings that you want to do on your website, and if you have anything that you want to integrate into your website, you can do it from here. Maybe you want emails, maybe you want to add an event, maybe you want to add bookings, so you can add any kind of integration to do any of those features on Wix as well and on your landing page. And then also take a look at the different categories on the left over here that will help you to find the perfect tools for the apps that you're looking for. So once you have done that, you're just going to click on the publish over here, and then you're just going to click on the view site. And finally, we have now the preview or the view of our site. Okay, so in just a few minutes, we have created a simple yet an effective landing page. And once you're finished, you can go back into my site section and then click on the select site to manage your landing page to actually reach the dashboard. So if you're collecting emails, you can find all that information over here in this dashboard. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.